The Zhiyun Smooth 4 stabilizer. Check it out. I've already got it connected for your GoPro. It comes with a sweep mount. I've actually got it on right now, so you can see slow follow, and it's got this counterweight here, which helps counteract the weight of the GoPro and the GoPro mount. So here I've got it on right now. I'm going to turn it off. As you can see, it weighs heavily on the GoPro side. So you just add this mount here with some counterweights that it actually comes with in this package, which is pretty awesome. Oh, check this out. Just a little mounting bracket that you can mount your GoPro on. So if you don't have a GoPro Karma, this is a great product. And then definitely splurge for the extra package with the counterweight, the GoPro, and it also comes with some cords. But overall, this is a great stabilizer to use with your phone as well, because it's got the tracking feature. And also right here, if you see this knob, manual focus, which that is not on the DJI Osmo Mobile. So this is definitely a huge selling point for you get a little more cinematic shots, and you can focus pull and everything, which is really cool. I really like that. Also, the functionality of this. I mean, you can see here the buttons on here are pretty functional. It's got your tracking option, it's got your camera option, your menu, your display. So really, you're not having to touch the screen on your phone while you're shooting. You can really switch on and off, and use different functionalities straight from the stabilizer, which is awesome. It's also got the pan and the follow buttons right here, so when you're using it. So I mean, really, it's a nice stabilizer, just with plenty of functionality. The Zhiyun app works really good as well. So it's a really good product. I definitely recommend it. I wish it were a little more portable. As you can see, it's a little, I mean, the nice part is it kind of locks in place, so you can just toss it in your bag. You don't have to worry about everything moving around. But if it felt folded up or something, that would be nice for portability. But overall, this, I mean, you can't beat it. It's only about $100. So $100 for all this is a pretty good deal for a nice stable. Get some stable shots, get some tracking shots. But yeah, check it out. Zhiyun Smooth 4. Definitely recommend it. And yeah, I'll see you on another tech review.